2-1 for Kobe.
Oh! Look where it landed! Hey y'all, it is the Gordon 5. Welcome back to our channel. It is the mom
and son duo in the kitchen.
So for those that are new to our channel, I'm Miss Mama D, and this is Little
X.
So today we got a special in our kitchen. We're gonna make
spinach and potato.
That's it.
So this is for baby Prince. Tomato and spinach. So we'll catch you guys when we do it. Yeah.
Good stuff. Okay, so turn it on, put it on 6. Those 2 burners are for that side. Those 2 burners are...
Oh my gosh, because I really want to try noodles. I turned on this thingy.
Oh, that's why you couldn't... Oh my god. Okay, I think we good.
Well, we're letting it to boil. I'm going to ask you some riddles that are worth $15. So, first riddle is... Okay, David's parents had 3 sons. Snap, Crack, Crackle, and what's the name of the 3rd son?
So David's parents had 3 sons.
No, yeah, David's parents. Yeah.
Okay.
What's
Snap, Crackle.
Snap and Crackle. What's the last one?
David.
Oh!
Obviously, David's parents. Okay, Xavier, start cutting the onions.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna slice because I'm the best slicer of 2020.
Good. Okay, good. Good.
Best slicer of 2020, you know what I'm saying? So, we put the spinach in the pot of steaming water. So, now, time for more riddles. Okay, what has many keys but can't open a single lock? What's the answer?
What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Oh, I know, a piano.
I'm never gonna get $10.
This is the last.
Okay, you're
riddle.
not able to get this one.
Can you get the camera? This is your last riddle.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start. So we got the spinach going. Now we're gonna start the actual spinach stew. Okay? Okay, what's the riddle?
Okay. Can you hold in your left hand but not in your right?
What can you hold in your left? Your left hand.
It was your left elbow!
Okay.
$10.
Anyways, can we get back to cooking? Hey, no twerking in the video. So this is how we make some real African stew. Make the stew for my baby Prince. Okay, guys. Stew.
The vegetable oil.
Yeah. So these are the ingredients that we're using for this for the stew. Why are you playing with the knife behind my back? I hear shh, shh, shh.
Cause I'm being like tomato.
Okay, no. Can you put that down? Some tomato paste. Tomato paste. Corned beef.
Make sure to make this at home. If like, comment, subscribe. If you want us to do more
Some spices.
If you want us to do more cooking videos in the kitchen.
Oh, look at baby Prince. Hi, baby Prince. Is there a diaper on the floor?
Make sure to make this if you want this. It's gonna turn out so good.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my god. You okay?
Oh, the water just sizzled and burned me. Yeah, like the oil. Like I have a piece of the thing on me.
Okay, run some cold water on it.
Always happens to cook. Turn it.
Yep.
Turn.
Okay.
Yay! I did it all by myself.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Mash it in there. This is fun. Like blood. I'm gonna do one more scoop of room. Yeah. next riddle is, what is black when it's clean and white, when it's dirty? When it's dirty.
This is so easy. It's a chalkboard.
Nope. It's an eraser. It's like a chalk eraser.
Shut up, you're a liar.
No.
It's a chalkboard. You said black.
Yeah.
Black when it's
Damn
clean.
it! I thought I could get you with that.
You crazy. You
Okay.
crazy potatoes, guys. Okay. Slowly. You don't want it to splash on you, right?
Potato in. I'm scared.
Okay. Do not put it in like that.
Okay, you have to run. You have to run.
No, that's not how you put in potatoes. You don't just.
You have to go deep.
You don't throw it. Close. Oh my God. Really?
Yes.
What kind of a chef are you? I thought you were Chef Gordon.
One that runs.
Okay, no. That's not how we do it. It's gonna splash in water everywhere.
You better run.
Is that how you're gonna put them all in?
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't hit you. Oh, we gotta do one. We got one. We gotta do one for Kobe. Better run.
Seriously? No, you are not.
Oh.
Look where it landed! Our potatoes is boiling. Our stew is just about ready.
That actually looks good.
Of course it looks good.
So we're back. Grandma said that we were making it all wrong, so we have to start over again.
So I reboiled the spinach again. This is just plain spinach. There's nothing to it. So Grandma doesn't want to be on camera right now. So Grandma's gonna explain what to do after I make the spinach or after the spinach is boiled. So what do we do, Grandma?
Yeah, and I put the eta.
So this is called an eta.
You don't need anything else. When you finish, just put in a nice bowl. Maybe it's too small to eat something like rich food like that. You fry it like you're going to fry for yourself.
Listen, he likes it.
Husband or something. No.
So my mom says that the way that I made the stew, the spinach stew, is not for a baby. But Prince be eating our kind of food, so what's the difference? This is what the food looks like after I made it. So I guess, okay, I get it. There's oil, there's so much oil. I put seasoning. That was a fail, but I guess, so if y'all want to know how to make like African spinach, that's how you make it. Like that. So we're done finally with the baby food.
So we got some contomere stew.
Hey, so they can actually see.
Spinach. Okay.
Okay.
They're both spinach.
They're both contomere stew, but
This is for the baby.
so that's only spinach in there.
And we got our potato.
Yes, some potato.
This can focus.
There it is.
Alright guys, if you want to see some more Gordon 5 in the kitchen, like, comment, subscribe, tell us to do more. Because we actually like doing these food videos. Look at this. Spinach stew. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? So,
You gotta say
want us to look like
Want to see? Okay.
chicken, like breaded hot Cheetos. Like we put hot Cheetos on our chicken and we bread it. Yeah,
Oh,
we
yeah,
can
that
do
one.
that. We can put hot sauce on it too. Or give us some other ideas and we will do it. Alright, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.